Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to retrieve my progress on Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush. Then over here you can see Save My Profile. Tap on it. There you can sign up with your email or continue with Facebook. Choose either of it. Tap on Continue with your Facebook. After logging in, over here you can see your account and you can log in or log out with it. You can see your privacy and security, get email from King, log out. You can do any of it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.